Hello, my friends. Welcome to my tutorial. This is my second tutorial, and Happy New Year to all of you. So, have a wonderful year. And this is my second tutorial for Astra theme. I couldn't find these solutions on YouTube, so I've made this making these tutorials. It's going to be five to ten, uh, 5 to 10 tutorial series. So let's go to the website. This is my website, and you can see that there is no space right now over here between this URL, and I mean below this URL there was some space over here coming, and two colons were also coming. So now it's looking good. All the pages are showing up. These are the reviews, and these are social media. This is the phone number clickable. Getting call. This is the let's talk, and this is my Upwork profile. And beside that, these two more options I have made over here. So right now let's log in, and I will show you how I erase this space over here. So guys, now we are in the backend, and there's a plugin, special plugin which I've used for this header. I will go and tell you about that also. So without that plugin, I wasn't able to make it that nice. So the plugin is homepage banner plugin, and here you go and upload the any banner which you want to upload over here. Click over here and upload the banner, and get you two headings. So here I've kept my heading and one heading currently right now. So let's go back. I will show you why I was getting that space above the header, and it was looking very ugly and not nice. So I've come over here now. Uh, Now I have to go to input settings. Just a minute. Header builder. So guys, we come over here, and I show you that this is the design, and over here we go to margin option. So if I remove this is minus 27. So here the margin is minus 27. So if I remove this and publish it, and now I go to my website. So you can see I am getting this space over here, which I never ever want. I don't want that at all. So guys, all we have to do is go to header builder, go to design option, go to margin. When I put it minus 15 and publish, now you can see this colon which is appearing plus the space will go away slightly. So see, it's gone. So now I put in minus 25, publish, and see the space which is appearing has gone completely now. And just one more minus 27, which it was earlier. So minus 27, publish, and then you can see that the space has gone. This is very important, so I wanted to show you guys, and if you like it, then subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Varun Kumar RIAT SEO and review guy. So please like this video and subscribe to, and have a happy new year guys, and enjoy. I will upload more videos. Hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. See, the space has gone. There's no space right now. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Happy new year.